FinTech founder and CEO Vince Molinari is joining us now. They're on the ground all the way from Abu Dhabi with more. Good evening, Vince.
Hey, Trinity. Good day, good afternoon, good evening. We're wrapping up here, day 2 in Abu Dhabi. You hear the music going. The festivities are about to begin, but it was an amazing day 2.
Now, with FinTech being a major focus this week, what are some key innovations or trends being highlighted there on the ground?
Well, it's really incredible. So much of the conversation has really been surrounding digital transformation, the embracing of blockchain and crypto, and really being propelled, as we know in the U.S., by our recent election, President-elect Trump coming into office, but reaching all the way across the world to Abu Dhabi, UAE. The enthusiasm about crypto right now is at an all-time high, and trading at all-time highs, by the way, as they correlate together.
Yeah, of course. And Vince, this is an event that you have attended over the years, but how would you say Abu Dhabi is leveraging this event to position itself as a global leader in finance and innovation?
Yeah, amazing question, Trinity. We started here 3 years ago. Each year it's gotten exponentially bigger. And it's really ADGM and their leadership and really embracing regulation with the most innovative technologies that have set the stage. 20,000 participants this year, 650 speakers. You had Ray Dalio from Bridgewater today. We had Robert Smith from Vista Equity Partners. So it's kind of become the who's who that are convening here every year for Abu Dhabi Finance Week.
And as you said, artificial intelligence, AI, Gen AI is shaping the future of finance. And I would be interested to know, what are some of the key insights or what's being shared there on the ground talking about the role of AI and how it's transforming the overall industry?
Well, it's not only transforming, it's the pace in which they're talking about the transformation. It's this bit of the move from the large language modeling, how agents are being trained, how that's getting smarter, faster in small language modeling, how that's applying to finance, anything across the board with workforces. So it's really the investment capital looking to engage around AI is really kind of the storyboard here today.
And sustainability is also another critical topic. What are some of the main takeaways on how finance leaders are addressing climate goals and impact investing?
Look, I think little known or less known parts about Abu Dhabi, UAE, is this renewable energy, this transformative energy, a move away from petrol and oil, and really how they're looking at engaging across clean tech technologies and really making the standard and putting those big deployment of investment capital to move forward. And here I say a bit of leapfrogging going on here.
Now, I know this is only day 2, Vince, but so far, what have been the most exciting or surprising moments in Finance Week?
Well, look, I think it's just the sheer size and scope. I think the conversations here in Abu Dhabi talking about New York Stock Exchange, frankly, exchange-traded funds, we talk about it all the time, right? The crypto ETFs, how that's setting the pace and how that's partially driving the value of BTC as this cycle of investment inflow into the ETFs are generating the purchasing that are absorbing the liquidity from a lot of the whales that were holders. And now we're seeing that jump up well above 100,000. We're stabilizing here and overlay U.S. policy into the mix. Those are the conversations that really are lighting up the conference that I wasn't necessarily expecting all the way here in Abu Dhabi.
Now, we have about 45 seconds, well, actually 30 seconds left, Vince, but briefly, talk to me more about what you anticipate for the rest of this week. I know that this event wraps up on Thursday.
Well, tomorrow, big day for us, FinTech Day. I have the pleasure of emceeing that day for the 3rd year in a row. And the conversations that are happening here around the world that are resonating, anything FinTech, blockchain, AI continues to be the theme, and we'll hear so much more about it, Trinity. And got to talk about it when I come back.
Looking forward to having you back on the show to talk about all things Abu Dhabi. Vince Molinari, founder and CEO of FinTech TV.